Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a video for the students of class 10 on the third chapter of their first flight book. The third chapter, it's a combination of two stories, and both these stories are symbolical. Both these stories contain very beautiful message to mankind. Both stories say to human beings not to be disheartened, not to be weak in self-belief. The first story is about a young seagull. The title of the story is First Flight, and the writer is an Irish writer by Liam O'Flaherty. He is an Irish writer, novelist, short story writer. He has taken a very important topic to discuss in this short story. Life is never what we want. It is full of handicaps. It is full of twist and turn. And what we are able to maintain ourselves. अगर हम लोग अपने आप को मेंटेन रखते हैं, अपने जीवन के जो भी फेजेस हैं, if we maintain ourselves, what is required we are able to develop. So the first flight एक symbolical story है. Symbolical story I mean to say that whenever we undertake any step for the first time, whenever we take any stride for the first time, naturally we are hesitative. Fear grips us. We are under a consistent sense of agitation. What will happen? क्या होगा? नहीं होगा? So many questions cross our mind. But the best way is what? That we have not to lose our self-belief. Because in difficult situation, your self-confidence, your self-belief come for your rescue. It's a story of a young seagull who has a problem in making first flight, who has a hesitation. His mindset has become affected by self-distrust, self-disbelief. He feels that his wings will not work if he makes first. Dear children, what happened that seagulls actually live around the sea, and catching fish is their main source of livelihood. Here we find that a family of seagulls, so many family of seagulls live on the ledge. Ledge is a narrow place projected in plateau, you can say. We find that there is a family of seagulls. Everyone is very active, very energetic. They move for catching fish. The seagull about which the story is, his younger siblings, elder siblings, all are flying, all are very confident, they are moving to catch fish. But this seagull is agitated. He feels that if he makes a try, sometimes he comes on the brink of the ledge. And when he looks down the vast a stretch of sea, he feels afraid. He thinks that his wings will not support him. He thinks that he will fail, he will die. This particular negative thinking has made a great impact on his psychology. We all know that fear is a psychology, and it has a great relationship with what we think. So here the writer has given a very beautiful message to us that self-belief and self-confidence, हम लोग को अपने आप में भरोसा होनी चाहिए. Hesitation is no way out. Hesitation से कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. There is a need of developing belief in oneself. So हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर? Seagull is comfort zone. His parents are giving him fish every day. He is eating, he is sleeping quietly. Nothing to hurry, nothing to worry, life is quiet. But his parents, here so good parenting, they decide to give him food no more. They start telling him to try. They keep scolding him. They keep upbraiding him. They say that you will remain here. Nobody will give you food. Once what happened? The whole family moves to another plateau, and the young seagull is sitting. The sun is blazing forth for 24 hours. He hasn't eaten, and he sees that his brothers, sisters, mothers, they are eating. He sees that his mother is eating fish. At the sight of his mother, he makes a cry. At the sight of his mother, he makes a cry. He is hungry. He pretends to be sleeping. He pretends to be sleeping to attract the attention, but nobody pays attention. Nobody is looking towards him. Nobody is paying attention. What we see? We see that the young seagull is trying to attract the attention of his parents. But nobody gives attention except his mother. His mother catches a piece of fish and flies towards him. At the sight of the food, he is quite excited. He is maddened by hunger. He was hungry. For the last 24 hours, he has not eaten. He is hungry. But his mother is coming, but she halts. She stops just before some distance. She stops, she halts. Her wings are motionless. The seagull is not able to understand why she stops. But by this time he is not in a position to control himself. He makes a jump to catch the fish. But he comes down. He is falling down. And while falling, he is gripped with fear. He thinks that he is going to die. He feels that he will not survive. He will die very soon. But he was wrong. While coming down, his wings work His wings are supporting him. Air is cutting across his body. He is quite happy. He thinks he is no more agitated. He thinks that his confidence is developing in him. And everybody, the whole family is moving around, revolving around him. They are appreciating. They are encouraging him. He falls on the waters and he is very much happy. In this way, he is able to learn the first flight. In this way, he is able to overcome the fear, overcome hesitation, and a new door of success opens. What we need to understand here, that the writer has said that self-belief and courage, we must have courage, we must have determination. If there is no courage, we cannot. After all, we are all alone in this greatest struggle of life. In this greatest struggle of life, there is none who will continue to support us, who will continue to extend his or her support. We are required to be self-dependent, we are required to be self-reliant. Only this will open the door of permanent happiness. So in this small story, a great message is given. Great message is given to the reader that the seagull was agitative. He feels that his wings will not work. His younger siblings, although they have a smaller wings, they are flying happily, they are catching fish. His brothers are catching fish, they are enjoying, and his parents are perfecting their art of catching, art of skimming over the current of water. They are all are happy, but this he is not. He is left behind. But parenting also matters most. Parents are required to be sometimes very strict. Sometimes strictness brings result. If parents are not strict, what will happen? That their children will not develop self-belief, self-confidence. If parents continue to support their children in every matter, their children will never be able to make their first flight. Flight is here symbolical. Symbolic meaning of flight is that if you are trying to learn anything, you are striving to get any addition to your character, your personality, you are required to make a first fly. You are required to overcome the agitation, overcome the fear. Only then you can get success. It's a short story, and I would like to mention to you all that writer has said that self-confidence and courage is must. By the dint of that, by virtue of that, by the grace of God, we are required to have a very positive thinking. We are required to develop these qualities. And if these qualities are once developed, you are able to be independent. The seagull hesitative था, डर रहा था. एक बार वो नीचे गिरता है, but while coming down, he is gripped by fear. सोचता है कि अब no, I will not be surviving. But very soon क्या वो देखता है कि no, his wings are working. He is able to fly. तो मेरे कहने का मतलब यहाँ पर यह है कि ये आयरिश राइटर कहना चाहते हैं कि that hesitation should be overcome. Fear of making effort is natural. Everybody has this problem. Everybody has different potentials. What I think, other may not think. What other think, this happens. But the most important thing is that we should try. We should make an effort, and while trying there will be success. So you all are required to watch this video once, twice, and if you are interested, try to please, if you like my video, share, subscribe and like, and very soon I will be making its part 2, means black aeroplane. That's all. Thank you.